What I bring from the dancing world into real estate is my dedication, my consistency, my training, my passion. My name is Gonzalez and I'm a real estate professional at RESF. So what I like about my work is that ever since I was a little girl, I was always a people person, very goal-oriented. So I like that in real estate, I can mix the two together. So I picked real estate because I love meeting new people, I love talking to people, and I'm a Miami native, so who better yet to show this beautiful city than someone who lived here. So a story that I feel super proud of is I met a landlord and I brought him, some amazing tenants, and in the past he dealt with some agents that, he felt that didn't hold him to his highest standards. And since, I did everything from beginning to end and I brought them to the closing table, he really enjoyed the way that I was able to hold him to that standard that I hold everybody to. And a year later, he gave me 2 listings and now getting him into some multifamily. I am most proud of myself because I was challenged and I was dealing with a difficult client and I surpassed his expectations. People use me because 1, I'm always training, I'm always sharpening my tools. 2, I use the best marketing tools in the industry. And 3, I'm a closer. I will get you to the closing table. My name is Gonzalez and let me help you find your spot.